Hi guys.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, guys.
What are we doing today?
Most Cody at my grandma's house and dyeing Easter eggs and eating food and playing.
We're dyeing Easter eggs?
Yeah, and tomorrow's Easter day and
Cody's trying to kill himself on the swing right now. Camden, happy Easter. Say hi, Camden. Carter, are you excited to dye eggs?
Yeah.
And what are you having for lunch?
We're at Grandma's house right now.
We are at Grandma's house?
Hi, where is Jesus?
Carson. Whoa. Happy Easter. You almost hit yourself in the head with that thing. Carter, are you going to have Chipotle?
No, where is Jesus?
Little Caesars. Are you going to have Chipotle, Cam?
Yeah. Hi.
We got Chipotle catering, Carter. You should try it. I think you'd like it. It's really good. Get some guacamole, some chips, some queso. Yeah, the chips and queso is really good. Is that what you're going to have?
Yeah, but I'm still having Caesars.
Do you fit in that car anymore? Show me. Show me, Carson.
I can't really fit, I think. I can fit in this.
Barely fit. Couldn't go very fast in it. Hi, Cam. Happy Easter, Cody. Happy Easter.
Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna go get some Chipotle. Look at all this yummy food. Cody, what are you gonna have? What are you having, Clay? Are you gonna make a burrito bowl? Yeah, so our plan this weekend, we're doing what? Easter egg hunt tomorrow. Tomorrow's Easter. Today's Saturday. Today we're dyeing eggs, having lunch with family.
Guys, look what I'm having. I'm having.
And look at Cooper's Chipotle.
Sticks. I'm on my second piece.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Whoa, you're moving so much I can't keep you in. You're having a Sprite? Whoa, where'd you go?
And it's Easter cups.
Easter cups for Sprite? Cool. Do you think the Easter Bunny's gonna come?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think the Easter Bunny's gonna come, Cam?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
And then the Easter eggs gonna be hardy.
Yeah. Gonna do your eggs.
Okay.
What color are you gonna do? Orange and what else?
Blue.
What color are you gonna do? Gray? Gray? Is there even a gray color? What are you gonna do?
It's blue and pink and green.
Yeah, Cody, please stop.
Camden, here's an airplane. It's way up there.
Yeah, you see your own. Here will be Cooper. There's yours. Straight up. Turn it up in here. Here, Carter. Hear it? Camden.
Hi. Cam, so which one?
Are you gonna put an egg in here, Cody? You have two more. Three more. They can put eggs in. Plop. And plop. How's it going, Cam?
You don't need a spoon, just
We put two eggs in one bin.
I'll get you a spoon. Just a minute.
Oh, nice. They do a mixer. Mix it up a little bit. I like that color, Cody. Okay. Bye. Whoa, Cam. Cody, your hands. Of course, you would be the one that puts right into the dye.
Orange.
Camden, what are you doing? Did you grab Mommy and Daddy's green?
A little bit. That's okay.
Why is green in it? All done. We'll take a picture of you.
Camden, you gonna put another egg in your dye? Look at how much stuff you have there.
My egg.
That's okay.
There you go, Cam. Keep on dyeing them. Yeah. Impressive. Trying to get Camden's picture with his eggs. Wow, Cam. Chloe, can I see your eggs? Super cool. Carter, you want to show the video of your eggs? You like dyeing eggs?
Yeah.
And Cooper, how'd your eggs turn out, bud?
Good.
Nice. Carson, how are your eggs?
This is
Super fun. Yeah. Guys, we are home from Grandma's house now, and it is time to get some stuff ready for the Easter Bunny because he's coming to our house. And look, everyone's laid their baskets out for the Easter Bunny. Do you think the Easter Bunny's gonna come?
Yeah, I want him to bring donuts. I want cinnamon glazed and apple fruit. I hope he Easter.
Okay, Carter, put your water over there. And then carrots. Chloe, you got the carrots? Don't mind our mess. We're in the middle of rearranging and getting new couches and yeah.
Where our stuff was when we
Our
first
TV
moved
was
in.
over here and now it's over there.
We first moved. When we first moved, our stuff was right there.
Yep. So we got some carrots for the bunny. All right, let's set him out there for the bunny and toothbrush for him to brush his teeth.
I'm gonna go put that.
All right, we'll see you guys in the morning on Easter.
Okay, see you tomorrow morning.
Easter.
I think it's a funny holiday.
You think the Easter bunny came?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect. I think the escape. I want to tell it.
You do?
Cody, I'll tell you what.
You guys ready to go down
Yeah.
and see if the Easter bunny came? Hold on. Oh my gosh, look, there's footprints. Which one is that?
Spider-Man!
Press start book.
Yeah.
Oh, a Spider-Man book.
I got these, Mommy.
Cody, which one's yours?
I got
Wait, wait. What? Little Sleepies? Wow. Camden, your basket's over there, I think. Wait, a Tony? A soul Tony? Hi, Cody.
Guys, you're spotted in Clue!
What? Where?
Right there!
A Disney 100 Spot It in a Clue game? Cooper, what'd you get?
I got Gummy Bears and Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Tony.
And I got Toy Story. Oh, look!
Cody, your basket you gotta open, bud. Don't hit yourself. Whoa. Wow, Cam, which one is that you got? Oh, like the Castle of Disney baby one? That's cool. I didn't know they had baby ones. Whoa, look at the book that you got, Cody. Splat the Cat. The Lion King, Tony. I think the bunny laid some eggs, guys. It looks like a beautiful day compared to last year. Last year was so cold and wet. Alright, good morning, guys. Happy Easter. I am currently going on an egg hunt to find a hidden egg that are one of the local coffee shops that we like around here. They did it last year. We were too late getting out. So I'm hoping I can find their hidden egg, win some prizes, maybe some free coffee. If you can't tell, I need it desperately. And don't mind my hair. We literally just woke up, but hopefully I find it. I'm almost to where I need to go. Yes, yes, yes. I got it. Right here. Yes. Egg has been secured. Let's see what's in it. All right, I'm gonna open it up. See what we got. Alright, it says thank you. Good for one drink, valued up to $5. Heck yeah, free coffee. Whoop whoop. Thanks, Coffee Barn. Alright, we got Easter eggs from Hagen. Look at, they have the cute little egg-shaped donuts. There are Easter donuts from Hagen's that are shaped like eggs. So hard to talk when you haven't had coffee.
I got this glazed twist and apple fritter, and I'm so excited to what we get at Grandma's house today.
Yeah.
You think the Easter Bunny went there too?
Yeah.
Fun. And apparently the Easter Bunny brought me little Sleepy's Toy Story
Yes,
camp.
Ace told me that ago.
There's eggs in the backyard, I know. And Camden, you weren't even walking last year. Are you excited for the egg hunt?
Yeah.
He had his first tooth last year.
You lost his first tooth? Oh, got his first tooth. Oh, you got Winnie the Pooh, Tony.
Tony, yeah.
Nice. Say hi, Olivia.
So cute.
You guys ready to go to Grandma's house? Like Carter in first. Camden, are you going to do an Easter egg hunt?
Yeah.
Let's go get in your car seat.
Hi guys, we're at my Papa's house.
We're at Grandpa's house?
Yeah.
Cooper, happy Easter.
I think there's gonna be an Ace tool.
You do? Look at all these baskets, guys. You guys all got Crocs? Cool. I like those Crocs. What'd you get, Carter? Wow, Cam.
You got tattoos. Tattoos? Is that Spider-Man? Yeah. Person. I got this.
That's to cover, I think. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
What'd you get, Cam? Whoa, plug.
I got Pirates
You got popcorn and Pirates foodie? Chloe, what'd you get? Cooper, what'd you get? Show us.
What's this called?
A beef stick.
I got a beef stick, popcorn, Sour Patch Kids, gummy bears,
I can't see. Like, there,
chocolate
there.
candy, popcorn, strawberry sprinkles, an airplane builder.
Oh, an
And I
airplane
got
builder.
Fanta, and I got a Panera gift card, Disney, and McDonald's.
Nice. Happy Easter.
Can I show you what I got?
Yeah, what'd you get?
And Crocs.
Oh, Crocs too?
I got these Disney Crocs.
Oh, look at the presents on the. That's
And
cool.
these are my. I have white ones. I have Disney ones.
The Easter Bunny Crocs?
I have white ones, Disney Crocs, Frozen, and I think another one, and then these ones. So like 5 pairs of Crocs.
So cool. What else did you get?
And then M&M's.
Yum. And a gift card? You got gift cards too?
Art creation.
Super cool.
Camcorders. Beef stick.
Nice.
Hi, Cody.
Pirates food.
Those match your, remember those pajamas you have that look like those Crocs?
Panera, McDonald's, and Disney gift cards. Gummy, little mini gummies.
We have 10 total kids this year. Less than last year, but still quite a bit. We got all these Easter baskets for you guys.
These are all ours, kids.
Do you get an Easter basket or not? Are you too old?
I'm not old.
You're too old for Easter basket? Sad day. I want to show everyone Carter how good he is at swinging a baseball bat. Nice hit, Carter. Where'd you learn how to hit a ball?
What about me?
Are you a baseball player?
Yeah.
All right, Carson, now back up so you don't get hit, Carter. Nice swing, Carson. Want one more? Swing it. Home run. Look at Carter riding without training wheels. Wow, Carter. Even in the grass? That is so good. It's lunchtime. What are you having? The weenies?
Yeah, bread.
Garlic and wieners.
Blackberries.
Yum. How's yours, Cooper?
Good.
You having a good Easter? You ready for the Easter egg hunt?
Uh-huh.
Coming up soon.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go! Woo! Camden, come get the eggs. Camden, put the egg in your basket. Here. Go get all the eggs, Cam. Chloe, do you see any eggs? Carson, you just walked by a bunch. Get them, Carter, get them.
I got my secret stash of sport.
The sport eggs, nice. Oh, look, Camden, look right here. Go put it in your bucket. You know you can carry your bucket.
All the eggs cracked already. Wait.
Because of the babies. You got any, Cooper?
Yes, I got one.
Whoa, Cody, look at, there's a car one. A car, a pink car, Cody.
I dropped my egg.
Cool.
Dad, can you take this?
It's so funny, they'll run by like 25 eggs just to get one egg that they see a color that they like. Ooh, look at that one, Carter. How many do you got in your bucket? Can I see? Ooh, that's a shiny one.
Got it.
That's the big,
want it,
that's a
that
big egg.
I want that one.
You got that one?
Yeah.
Nice. You know, Camden, it'd be easier if you took the bucket with you.
Yeah, I can.
Here, I'll follow you with the bucket. Let's go find more eggs. How many do you got, Car?
Hi.
Whoa, look at all those. So many eggs.
Daddy, look, I got the golden egg.
Wait, what?
Got the golden egg.
You got the golden egg?
Yeah.
Whoa. I think you guys did pretty good on your egg hunt.
How many of these do I need?
How many are those? What are those? You don't like them?
What's
Why?
I said I do.
Oh, you do like them. Whoa, you got a baseball card? Look, I found Carter. He's up in a tree. What are you doing? We got so lucky. It's been a beautiful day. Have you had a good day today, Carter?
Yeah.
It's been a really fun, really good Easter. It's like 57 degrees out. It's comfortable. Did you find any eggs?
Yeah.
Here, let me turn the camera on. When did you learn how to climb trees? Hey, you. Carson taught you how to... Hi. They're crazy, aren't they, Carson? You guys are so weird.
Not too much.
Hey, go. Whoa, and just like that, we're back home. We had a fun day at Easter, but we have one more Easter egg hunt back here in the backyard. The Easter Bunny laid eggs at our house, you guys. Are you ready for one last Easter egg hunt?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're an Easter egg? Don't crack your bucket. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to find any. They're really, really, really well hidden. Are you ready? So count down from 13.
14, 12, 11,
Slow down. 9, 8, 7. Go! Careful, Cam. Find the eggs. Find the eggs. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, I think I see one on the climbing gym. Here, Cam. You get any eggs, Cody? I think they're getting tired. Hi, Camden. Alright, I think we are going to be ending this little Easter video. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you thumbs up, subscribe. Check out the playlist below for the last few years of Easter videos. Carter, is there anything you want to say?
Yeah.
Did you have a good Easter?
Yeah.
And did you get a bike that you got brought home from Grandma's house? He's riding a 2-wheel bike with no training wheels. Alright, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Bye.
Bye, guys. Camden, say bye-bye.
Guys, it was a great Easter, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful Easter, and remember to subscribe and comment down below.
Anything you want to say?
I like Easter, and it's my favorite holiday.
What was your favorite part of the day?
The Easter egg hunt and the baskets.
Super fun. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, Chloe, your turn.
Watch out.
So my favorite part of Easter was spending time with my family and doing the Easter hunt. And then I got a lot of candy. And I got new princess pajamas. And I got a Tony character, Tiana. And then tomorrow me and Carson are going to do Camp Kirby.
So fun. Alright, bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Camden. Can you say bye?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.